Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to make our learners, our student, support them to become a superhero. So let's take a start. In this tutorial, you are going to learn that how to learn a computer science skill and how to use this code.org website to learn a problem solving skill, to learn the algorithm we use in our daily life, and how to give instruction to a computer, our Edison robot, or the virtual robots that we are going to use use now in the next few minutes. So, and problems basically our children are going to learn in this using this software. They are going to use what they learn problem solving skills, critical thinking, and how to use these algorithms, problem solving skill in our daily lives. So let's take a start. Okay, so first of all, on the top right corner, click on this tab. I'm using a browser here, Microsoft Edge. You can use Google Chrome as well. Then type in the URL code.org. Let's enter just like that. Now we are going to use this tutorial. I'm going to create this tutorial for the parents, for the students, those who are taking KG class, nursery class 1 and 2. So let's take a start. It's very easy. On the top right corner, you need to click on sign in. Click on that, and after that it will take you to which interface. It will appear over here. Make sure that your internet is working properly, and you can do this at home. It's very interesting activity. You can do this activity with your kids. Okay, now here you will find what enter your 6-digit section code. Your teacher, your computing teacher, will provide you this section code. You can check in your diaries, school diaries, or yes, you can ask from your teacher. Okay, after that you need to enter the code over here, and this code you will find such kind of code in the student diaries. Paste it over here. This is the link. When you click on it, it will take you to in this website, and here is the code, section code. Copy this code, and you need to do what? Or just type here in this 6-digit code. Just paste it over here and then click on go. That's it. It's very simple. And after that it will take you to this interface. Welcome to T. This is KGT. Okay, now choose your name. You will find your student name, your kid name, your ward name over here. Just click on that name. Right now I have added only one student in my class. So now after that you need to select a secret password. So we have set our image secret password. So in my case, my secret password is somewhere over here. This one. Okay, just click on it and this will appear in front of you. Just click on sign in. That's it. Here we are. Now here are all the activities. You can start this activity from here by doing that. How to learn drag and drop activity. Okay, and then so on. Let's take a start from this activity number 1, practice activity. We will learn the computer science skill with the help of drag and drop. Okay, so first thing is you need to read instruction from here. Click the block. So just click here. That's it. Excellent. That's how you, congratulations, you completed the puzzle 1. Click on next. Now move towards the next one. These are the instructions. These instructions are known as algorithm. So click on OK. So now drag the block to the target. Here is your target in the workspace. So click, hold, and just drop it over here. Now done. Click on continue. It's very easy. So with each level, the difficulty level is now increasing. So now do what? Arrange the block to form the image. So I'm going to drag here, click, hold mouse button, and gently place it over here like that, and keep going. This arrange the block to form an image. Done. Okay, you can do this easily and keep doing that. So now I have to jump towards the next activity. So let me click on next. So let me scroll down, and where is the activity? Now I'm going to do what? Which one? Okay, sequence. I'm going to learn how to solve the problem with the help of sequence. Computer, we solve the problem in sequence. What is algorithm? Algorithm is you to solve a problem in a sequence, step by step. So just start here. I'm going to click on this one. Here is a video. I need to take start from lesson 2, level 2 in sequence. So instruction is written here. To get secrets to the icon, snap that. This is called what? East block to the bottom of this when run button. Okay, just click on that. Okay, close this. So here is your output on the left side. This is called output. When you click on run, this will move. You will see that your code is into live over here. So let's start. It's already here. Unblock. Okay, now place it over here. Okay, now click on run. Done. Level complete. Okay, move towards the next level. Continue. Okay, now here snap both blocks, these blocks to bottom of the when run block to finish your code. Then click on hit run button. So let me do that. Okay, one block, and this one is second block. Because why I'm doing that, look here, first you need to do on your notebook how many steps it will take you to reach over here. This is your destination, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 steps. Okay, check that. Click on run. 1 and 2, done. Level complete successfully. We are giving the sequence of instruction to solve our problem. Moving towards the next level. Okay, now it's a bit difficult. Okay, now how to do that? Okay, let me put everything over here in the dustbin. These are the blocks. We use these blocks to use in the workspace to complete this puzzle. First of all, look in this map. So we need to take how many steps? 1, 2 steps. What 2 steps towards the east? So let me add 2 steps. 1, 2 steps, and you can use these steps to check your code. It's called debugging. 1. Now step 2. 2. Excellent. Now we need to move upward. So upward is what? North is here. So just drag and drop this block over here. Now you can reset the environment and click on run. Start. 1, 2. Now turn towards the north. And that's how you can complete this level. It's very easy, very interesting. Please, parents and students, try this at home. So continue next. Okay, now you can do this. Now I'm going to jump towards the next level. Okay, try this at home. Okay, now next one is what? Programming with Scratch. Okay, now just click on that. This level number 1. These all are the steps. Okay, video pair programming. Okay, pair programming. You can watch this video later on. I'm going to click on continue. You can even download this video by clicking over here. Okay, now let's see what kind of instruction or algorithm we are having here. Okay, play with these blocks to see what they make Scratch do. Okay, get Scratch to do to the icon to complete the level. So here's the workspace. These are the blocks here, and here is your environment. So I need to take how many steps? So it's over here. Here's our destination. I will take 1, 2, and 3 steps. So let me do that. We need to move how many steps? Downward, south. 1, 2, and 3 steps. That's it. And now click on run. Step 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, now next. Okay, we did this all. Now let me try something else. Let me try something challenging over here. So loops. Okay, now loops are what? Loops are called repetition. I want to repeat my same instruction. For example, I want to move forward 10 steps. So what I will do, I will make 10 blocks over there. No, I will use loops, so that I will add only 1 block in that loop, and it will keep repeating that under specific condition. So I'm going to take start from level number 1. So we are going to learn the loops here. So have to crawl across the slippery ice to get to the icon. This is slippery ice over here. So let's start. Now I will do what? I'm going to put this block over here. So how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 5 steps, sorry. So I will do just repeat block. This is called loop. Repeat the same instruction again and again. Okay, it's a closed path. So I'm going to put what? It's a straightforward. So this is called what? East. Move towards the east. How many steps? 5 steps is there. You can even change the steps from here like that. Let me click on for debugging, finding bugs in my code. Yes, it is a bug here, error here, because I have to use what? Keep coding something not quite right. So I need to add 1 more block, 1 more steps here. So now reset the environment, and you can run this like that. Excellent. Well done. Okay, moving towards the next level. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, now here are now condition. Use the both block, west and south block. West will take you to the left side, south will take you to downside, downward block to get the icon. Okay, now here we are. I'm standing here, you are standing here, this icon is standing here. So you need to first of all count the number of blocks: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When you will reach over here, then you need to do what? Okay, first reach over there. How you will go there? I'm going to use a repeat block. I'm going to, okay, down. Let's say I'm not going, what if I will not use the repeat block? Okay, I have to use only 8 blocks. It's a time consuming process if you again and again keep putting these blocks over here just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's a time consuming process. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to do a magic. I'm going to use what? This repeat block. How many times? Just count the blocks: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times is written there. Now move towards which side? The left side. Left side, we need to move over there. So here is my west side, towards the west side. So click on run and check that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now I need to turn towards the left side. So left side is what? Turn towards the, okay, downward 1 step, and then take how many steps? 2 steps. I'm going to use repeat block again. I will take how many steps downward? It's written here 3 steps. Let me use what? Downward. Okay, let me put this over here. Let me put this block, repeat block again. Now saying downward how many steps? Let me say, use this one. I'm using 5 blocks to complete this level. So let's start. Run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now downward. 1 and 2. That's it. I have used only 5 blocks to complete my level. Okay, good. And now move towards the next level. Okay, yes. Okay, now how many blocks I have to use here? We can use only 7 blocks over here. Can you add a loop to get to the count? Yes, we can add loop. So start with the loop. You need to this instruction. This is important. If you stuck somewhere, you need to click here on hint. Okay, you can use this 3 times. Okay, but first of all, you need to try your best. Okay, first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps, move forward. 4 steps forward, 4 steps to the east, and after that downward. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 steps downward, 4 steps downward. Okay, now after that, when you reach over here, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now downward, this block will run now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you need to move this word left side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is west side. So again put this block and use this west. And now that's how you can complete this level just like that. This is called what? Problem solving skills, critical thinking. Okay, bugging and debugging. Bugging means finding errors in your code program, and debugging means correcting those code, identifying and then correcting those, removing those errors. So you can do this. Okay, now let me do that. Let me move towards the next level. So what's the next level? What's the next level? Loops, ocean scene with loops. Okay, if condition of this one on the move event. Okay, let me use which one? Okay, let me try something over here just like that. Okay, level 7. Let me try level 7. Okay, now use what you learn to get all of the treasure. Okay, I have to get all this treasure and I'm standing here. So I will move forward. How many steps? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I need to turn left downward. So I will use what? I will use loops here. Yes, I have loops. I will move forward 4 steps and I will do what? Move forward, move towards the left side 1 step and then get this treasure. So let's start. Move forward, move forward, get treasure, move forward, get treasure. Okay, now move downward move downward, and then do what? Get this trigger. Okay, let's start. I have used 6 blocks here. Excellent. Done. Okay, now south. Now get trigger. Excellent. That's how you can get the trigger. Okay, now moving towards the next level. Okay, same way you can try this at home. You can remove these blocks. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, place it over there. Okay, now what they are saying, what you need to do. Okay, we cannot remove this. Okay, you can try this. Okay, let me move forward towards the next level. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, now write code to get all of these triggers. Yes, we need to write a code. We need to work as a programmer developer. Okay, put this block over here. Move forward how many steps? So we will figure out 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 steps. Move forward and then collect the trigger. Which side? This is called which way scroll up? Yes, towards the east, and then after moving east step we need to get what? Get this trigger like that. Okay, now repeat 3 times. No, I need to change this repeating loop from here. Just click on 4. Now click on 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now I need to move upward. 1, 2, 3. 3 times upward. So I will use again loop here 3 times, and then I need to move upward and then get the trigger. And after that I need to move this way 1, 2, and 3. So step by step. Let's do this step by step in a sequence. Computer always perform instruction in a sequence in order. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now I need to add one more loop over here. Repeating loop. It will move towards left side. How many times? How many steps? 1, 2, and 3. So left side. This is called west block. Now get the trigger. After moving each step, get the trigger. Move, get the trigger. Okay, now reset the environment. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then upward 1, 2, 3. Now turn left. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. That's how you can complete the level. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and if there are suggestions or if you want to write something, please write in a chat box or in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz. Happy learning.